In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove fake McAfee virus pop-up notifications. These annoying alerts usually pretend that your device is infected and try to scare you into clicking links, downloading software, or entering personal information. They don't come from your real antivirus. They're typically from deceptive websites or unwanted browser notifications. Let's walk through how to get rid of them and prevent them from coming back. First, if one of these fake pop-ups is currently on your screen, do not click any buttons inside the pop-up, even if it says something like Scan Now, Renew, or Close. Instead, close the entire browser tab or window using the browser's own close button at the top, or by pressing the shortcut to close the tab. This helps avoid triggering any malicious downloads or redirects. Next, we need to clear your browser's notifications so these fake alerts can't keep popping up. In your browser settings, look for the section related to privacy, security, or site settings, and then find notifications. Here you'll see a list of websites that are allowed to send you notifications. Carefully review that list and remove or block any suspicious sites you don't recognize or that look related to fake security alerts. This step is crucial because many fake McAfee pop-ups come from websites that you accidentally allowed in the past. After handling notifications, clear your browsing data. Go to your browser's history or privacy section and choose to clear cached images, files, and cookies for at least the last few days, or longer if the problem has been ongoing. This helps remove tracking scripts and cached versions of those scam pages, making it less likely they'll reappear. Now, check your installed extensions or add-ons. Open your browser's extensions page and look for anything you don't remember installing, anything with a very generic name, or something that mentions security or antivirus that you didn't explicitly add. Disable or remove those suspicious extensions. They can sometimes inject ads or redirect you to fake warning pages. Once your browser is cleaned up, run a full system scan with your legitimate antivirus program or a trusted security tool that you already use. Make sure it's up to date, then let it complete a thorough scan to detect and remove any unwanted software. Finally, going forward, be cautious with security alerts in your browser. Real antivirus warnings usually appear within the antivirus app itself or in your operating system's notification area, not as aggressive web pop-ups asking for payment or personal information. If you're ever unsure, open your antivirus directly and check its status instead of trusting a random browser message.